All right, so I went hunting for cards at Walmart and got a Flux box, my first one. I think this is my first one, and then an Illusions box, which I really don't like at all. But they had both of them there, and I was like, I guess I'll be doing this. So I want to do like a box battle between Illusions and Flux, the two bottom of the barrel brands, it seems like, for Panini, and it's probably not bottom of the barrel. It's just expensive, to be honest. If the retail wasn't so ridiculous, I think people would be buying these. And they are $35 each. Like, that's outrageous. These should be $20, so you're 15 over on these already. So I'm going to open these, see what we can pull, and which one has the best pulls. Leave a comment and let me know which you think has the best pulls. But wish me luck. We're going to try and open these. Struggle bus. 3 packs, 3 cards, 6 packs, 6 cards, 6 packs, emeralds and rubies, mojo prizms, 2 blaster exclusives. All right, wish me luck. And that's it. I'm not gonna do any more. I'll just do the rest quiet. All right. Illusions. Fluxlandia over here. All right. 6v6. Do your nails? Nice. All right. So I don't like prisms at all. Like, I can never tell if there's an insert or not. Like, is this supposed to be a blue? I can't tell. It looks a little bit more holographic than the rest, but so faint that I can't even tell if I got anything, to be honest. One rookie. It depends on how the light hits it. I'm like, is this supposed to be a different illusion? I'm having illusions about the illusions. The only time that you know that you got a different insert is when it's something like that, something completely different. But I'm going to go back to that one. I think that was an insert. There's another rookie. So where was that one? This one, Mike Conley, that's an insert? Blue, I guess? Yeah, it's just so hard to tell. That's why I don't like this set. Because if you hold this up in certain lights, it does look blue too. So, it is what it is. I'll put that there because I think it's an insert. Not 100% sure. But there's Starlight parallels in here and other random things you can get. So let's see. Hopefully we can get something, considering the price point was ridiculous. There's a quickly. There, rookie. And Stevens is a rookie. I don't know what the Starlights look like, so no idea. Ooh. What is this? We got a Grant Williams Trophy Collection auto. So we pulled an auto out of that box. And a LaMelo and Lonzo Reflection. Solid. I'll take both of those. Those are nice. Ooh, and a Wiseman rookie. And a Knight rookie. So Wiseman, I'll put that one aside too. All these are pretty decent. I mean, I like how I'm just everywhere with this stuff now. There's so many piles, but I'll straighten out in just a second. That was crazy. All right. I mean, that was definitely the best box we've seen so far. The Lewis there. More bulk here. Last pack of the box here. So far, I mean, this was the best box I've seen for myself. Jimmy Butler, amazing. Ooh, I'm losing him. What do we got going on here? Okay, so Jimmy Butler, amazing. I don't think this one's numbered or anything, but cool nonetheless. Ellaby, Stewart, and then Holiday. So rookie, Holiday. I mean, that's not too terrible. Only one worth keeping out is probably the Quickly here, since it's a little bit different. But not bad hits. From the box, not too terrible. We got the autograph. Pulled an autograph out of one of them. Not a very good one, but Wiseman rookie, LaMelo and Lonzo, Butler and Emmanuel. That's crazy. I can't believe I pulled an auto. Not expected that. All right, moving on to Flux. This is my first time opening this, so expectations are, I don't know what to expect. There's a Bane rookie on the mojo. That's kind of dope. All right, I'll take that. So is there 2 mojos, or is it 1 per? Oh, two of them per box. So that was one of them, I think. It's hard to tell, honestly, but not bad for. There's another one, Saban. Or is it just those rookies are holographic a little bit? They look like silver prisms.
Sorry.
You're fine. Oh, there's a LeBron one too. So it must be 1 per. I don't know what's happening here, but I'll go like that. Russ. Because it looks like there's one of those per box, but maybe the mojos are a different color. No, these ones are regular. So that must have been, these 3 must have been special, I guess. It said 2 mojo prisms per box. What is this one? That's kind of cool. Insert, and then Dwayne Wade. So these 3 must have been special inserts, I guess. I don't know. Very bizarre. Yeah, so there's a Maxi, and then we have, yeah, this guy's been killing it too. Simmons, he's been doing work. So 1 insert here. Jalen, okay. This was pretty good. So we got Jalen, Tyrese Maxey, but then we got the Mojo Prisms. We have the Saban Lee, Desmond Bane, and then LeBron. Both of these are probably pretty good. I mean, Bane's been doing a lot better, so I'm gonna go like that, and then like this. Those are probably my 2 best hits here. Maxey's not bad either, but all right. Out of the boxes, this one's probably the best hits. Can't believe we got that though too. Trophy collection, kind of cool. I mean, it's just very generic looking, but still cool to get something. And then we got a Wiseman base down here. I guess that would go side by side to the Saban, although this is a specialer one. I gotta say, I kind of like Flux better in general as a product. Small amount of cards per box or per pack, but very cool. And this LaMelo and Lonzo is cool. And then I don't know if this is the base color or if this is a different color of this one, but these things are cool with acetates as well. So that's rad. And then I guess we did get 1 more hit on this side. So we got more hits on illusions, but they're not very good. Like if you're going to consider that, these ones are probably the best. These ones are probably the best 4 at the top. So leave a comment, let me know which side won the battle if you guys have any inclination, because I actually have no idea. I'm going to say that these 2 are probably both pretty equal in price, but honestly, I haven't looked up any of the prices for any of these, so no actual idea. I did want to throw in a bonus, though, for you guys at the end, since I had 1 Hoops pack 2, so for those that stayed to the end, here's a Hoops bonus for you guys. And just a little, it was a fat pack, and we got from Walmart. They only let me get 1, so this is the one that I got, and we're hunting for Desmond. If we can get a Bane, that'd be cool. I see the blue one back here, and just Kuzma. Okay, there's a Pure Players LaMelo. Got that one already. Not bad though. AD. Moody. Okay, we got a Kevin Durant for the blue. Not bad. Could have been worse. Gotten worse, so. Let's see, we got Gronk Scotty and no, I guess Mobley. That's not bad. So that's what the fat pack offered there. So Durant, Mobley, LaMelo. Not terrible. All right, thanks for watching. Hopefully we'll catch you guys back for some more videos. All right.